Hello guys, I was just cooking some mushroom dum biryani. So I thought I would just tell you guys what's the difference between a normal regular biryani versus dum biryani. Okay, so normal regular biryani is what we do is we cook it directly in a pot, right? We just add all the vegetables and everything, and then we fry it, and then we just add rice, mix it up, and then we close it, or we just add cooked rice and it's done. Okay, so dum biryani is a different concept. Okay, dum is a concept that was introduced, I guess, a very long time back during the Mughal era. I think I read somewhere that so they used to do this for the royals, so it was a very royal food. They usually did this for the kings and the queens and all the very high level people, all right. So what they used to do is back then they used to have this coal this, right, stoves, right? They didn't have electric or things like that. So they used to have a huge pot. They used to make the curry separately, and then they used to parboil the rice. That is, they don't boil the rice fully, they just boil it halfway through, and then they add a layer of the curry they have just made. This is usually non-vegetarian food. That is, they usually use meat, and then over time people started trying the dum concept for vegetarian food as well, okay, using vegetables instead of meat. So they used to put a layer of the curry, and then they used to add a layer of rice over it, parboiled rice, and then one more layer of curry and one more. So it used to be like that. So what the concept is, first thing, they used to cook it in a very low heat for a very longer time, and then second thing is they used to seal the pot completely. Okay, so when you completely seal the pot, what happens is the flavor, the aroma, and everything that the curry provides is not lost outside. It just stays inside, and then it just gets absorbed by the rice that we have added in between the layers, all right. So also when it's cooked in a very slow slow mode, generally when you cook food very slowly, the flavor just intensifies. Not all food, but some food, for some food, when you cook it very slowly, the flavor just intensifies, right? The same concept applies for dum. Okay, so the air, the aroma, the flavor, everything is just sealed inside. Along with slow cooking, it forms a beautiful biryani. The flavor is extremely beautiful. The normal biryani is also great, of course, but when you compare both, I would always go for dum biryani because it's just amazing. The flavor level is just amazing. I've tried so many times, and trust me, whenever they ask me which one you want, I always go for dum biryani. So this is the difference between dum biryani and normal biryani. I hope this information was useful for you guys, and if you'd like to see more such videos, then do comment in the comment section below. I'd love to do more for you. Okay, bye.